everyone, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was. Hey, I know that it has been a while, and I do say that in every video. I haven't posted in like a month now, which is really bad, but I have just been struggling with inspiration and motivation. But I'm here today. I knew I had to film at some point. I was kind of just trying to come up with an idea of what to film, because everything I was coming up with is honestly just really like not excited by the idea of filming it, or it just was boring, or I don't know, I just didn't like the ideas I was coming up with. And I just didn't want to do a beauty video, and I didn't want to do a fashion related video, so I had to think about it, and I finally just decided that I was looking through some of my older stuff, my older videos, my older posts, and I just remember I was such a weird kid, and I remember I was always arguing with people when I was younger over the internet, and I was always really sassy and really strange. I was just a really weird and sassy kid, and there's so many messages that are so funny from when I was younger, and I just thought it'd be funny to read you guys some of my old Facebook messages just so you guys can laugh about it, because it's really truly funny. This was back in the day when people were doing like the XD faces, and people text talk like crazy. All of their texting was like abbreviated words. That's literally those times. So I'm excited to do this because I think it's going to be funny. I'm sorry about my appearance. I didn't shower today, if I'm being honest, but this is what I look like. Sorry if the lighting's weird. I don't know, whatever. We're just gonna get into it. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video if you do end up liking it, and we're gonna jump right in. Okay, so I scrolled all the way to the bottom of my Facebook messages, and this goes all the way back to September of 2011. So it is 2018. It's been about like 7 years since these messages have happened. So I'm just going to go through these. I'm obviously not going to say any names, any real names at least, in these messages. Candy, what are you doing? Yeah, I'm obviously not going to say any real names just for privacy purposes, and it's just really not necessary. Okay, so the very first message that I ever got at least on this specific profile, was from someone called Facebook user. I don't even remember who this is. Obviously the account was deleted, so I can't even see the name of the person who sent these messages. And I don't remember. This was freaking 6 years ago. But the message started off with, he says, "Hey sexy." This is gonna be the other person. This is gonna be me, okay? "Hey sexy. Do I know you?" "Yes, silly." "I don't think so, ... Yeah, we used to talk on here a lot." "No, ... Okay, whatever then." "Well, I'ma unfriend you." In case you don't know, I don't talk like that, so this is like really strange for me. Anyway, well, I'ma unfriend you because I don't want to add people I don't know. Sorry.
Good for you, B.
Someone was upset. And that was the end of that message. That was how that went. Okay, so this is one between me and a girl that this girl used to have a huge crush on my very first like real boyfriend. And her and I were like friends, sort of. We didn't go to school together, but I knew her from mutual friends and because of my ex-boyfriend. So this is messages between us after she found out that I was dating the guy she liked. So she starts off, "Hey girl," smiley face. "Hey, what are you up to?" "Just sitting in my room." "You?" ? "Haha, I'm in Indiana on Facebook." "Oh, that's awesome. A lot of my family lives there." And blah 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 blah. We go on about Indiana, and then out of nowhere she just says this very bluntly, "I'm gonna call my ex Joshua." Okay. "Ha ha 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 ha. So how are you and Joshua? ? "Good. By the way, I just wanted to say I'm sorry." "It's alright. ... "No, it's not. I didn't know you liked him, and I really feel bad about it." No, don't. I want you to be happy, and if you're happy with him, then I'm happy." "Aw, you're a great friend." And then I say her name. I'll call her Trisha. "You're a great friend, Trisha. I I just wanted you to know that, because I really do feel bad, especially when I saw those statuses. Like the post that she posted about it. I guess she was like upset about it and posted a bunch of statuses about it. I don't know. I didn't feel bad though. I don't know why I kept saying that. I really didn't feel bad. He. Thank you, girl. You're sweet too. And I was upset, but I'm better now. I'm gonna kill you. Honestly, what she's thinking. You don't have to thank me, and I'm so glad you're not upset. I never meant to hurt you at all. I didn't care. You didn't hurt me. He did, and I'm happy we're friends. I am too, and I wish he wouldn't have done that. I think that he should have asked you out, to be honest. But I don't know. Ew. Why did I say that? Yeah, my boyfriend shouldn't have asked me out. He should have asked you. No. No, not at all. Why do you think that? Because you liked him so much and he knew that and it just wasn't right. Yeah, and he told Bob that he liked both of us, but I don't know, he confuses me. And then it goes on and on and on, and then a little bit later on, I don't remember when these messages happened. I think these started, okay, so this was the next day, and apparently I had posted something about something, probably an irritated status or whatever. So she messages me and she says, "What's wrong?" All of the freaking drama with everyone. I just hate it. Who? Question mark. Everyone. I'm sorry. ... I hate drama too. ... Ugh, this sucks. And by the way, I know what you and Barbara said to each other in your guys' messages, just to let you know. We weren't saying anything bad, question mark. I wouldn't say it was good either, but that's just my opinion. Okay? It's so funny because I don't remember being like this. I couldn't even, like, I am not a shy person, but I'm also not, and like I'm pretty blunt, but I don't know if I would just come off that like rude to someone right away. I don't know, that's just not who I am anymore, but apparently I just didn't care back then. Okay, period. I'm not mad, I'm just irritated. I know how you feel, trust me, I've been there. But just be careful about what you say, because you don't know who will see it. Okay? And that was the end of our conversation. Okay, so this is a message between me and one of my boyfriends from like 7th grade. I think this is before we dated. This is gonna be good. I just know it's gonna be good. Okay, we'll call him Brett. So I say, "Hey, I have a question, haha. What's up? Just wondering, do you like," what did I name her? I don't remember what I named her. My best friend, Samantha. My best friend's name was Samantha. "Do you like Samantha? Question mark. A little bit. Why? No reason. LOL. No, there is one. Literally the number one. No, there is one. Tell me. No, not at all. Tell me. Ha 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 ha. I'm too evil." What am I? Like, why was I like this? Tell me, Squishy. You remember that? Okay, so in elementary school, for some reason, from like, what was it called? Finding Nemo, "You will be my squishy," like how Dory says that about the, what are they called? Jellyfish? Oh my gosh, I can't think. The jellyfish, and so he called me Squishy. So that was that. That was so funny, apparently. LOL.
I am not your squishy.
All caps. Well, you were, but tell me. He wants to get the answer. He wants to get right back on subject. Okay, who all do you like? Then I will tell you. It's a trade-off, LOL. I gotta get something out of this, LOL. Literally, this is the way in elementary school, this is how you get somebody this is how you find out if somebody likes you. Like, this is literally how you do it. You flat out ask them who they like, trying to be nonchalant about it, even though that was like not even close to being nonchalant. I was clearly trying to get him to tell me that he liked me. And he says, "You and her." This boy liked me and my best friend. The disrespect, okay? The disrespect. This boy also liked my sister while I was dating him, so, you know, that's that. And I was like, that's it? Yes. No Haley, which is my sister. No Miranda. I'm gonna name her that. Nope. Wow. Nice. Well, yeah. Haha, you like her more though, I can tell. You always flirting it up. LOL. You know what is shocking? Question mark. What? That we are all still good friends. LOL. Yup. LOL, I'm so bored. Ugh, I need sugar. No, you don't. LOL. That sounds good. Cookies. I know I'm a fatty. We are all thinking it. Ew, why am I actually the worst human being ever? So for some reason my sister and I were both messaging him back and forth on my account because she was with me or something, so we're messaging him and then I message him, do you like Haley now? I always have. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Yeah. So you like her, huh? Yeah. Cool. So you like Samantha and Haley? Good choices. This is the most uncomfortable conversation ever. So that was the end of that. Yeah, so there's a lot of messages and a lot of them. There's just way too many to try to go through. There's just a lot of heys, hey cuties, hey sexies. Yeah guys, I think that's going to conclude today's videos. I thought I had a lot more than I did, but apparently I guess I don't. Yeah, so that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found some of it ridiculous and funny. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios. Bye.